My name is Jeffrey Zwirn, and I'm the president of IDS Research and Development Incorporated. This testing relates to UL 1023, which is entitled Household Burglar Alarm System Units. This recording is copyrighted by IDS Research and Development Incorporated. This is a Vista 20P control panel. It is listed to several standards. I am focusing on UL Standard 1023 and UL Standard 985. This is a hardwired GE passive infrared motion detector. This is a zone expander module, which is manufactured by Honeywell, model number 4219. This is a wireless radio alarm transmitter, Total Connect, manufactured by Honeywell, model number GSM-X4G. This is a wireless smoke detector manufactured by Honeywell, model number 5808W3. This is a wireless dual diversity radio receiving unit manufactured by Honeywell, model number 5881. This is a Honeywell 6160 RF keypad. It's both a wireless receiver and keypad built into one unit. This is the positive and negative of the data bus, coming from the single circuit data bus of the control panel. Auxiliary power is also required to be connected to the data bus, and zone expansion modules are required to be connected to the data bus. In addition, the wireless radio alarm transmitter is required to be connected to the data bus, and the system's wireless dual diversity radio receiving unit is required to be connected to the data bus. In the 6th edition of UL 1023, dated November 25th, 1996, at section 27, it is entitled Electrical Supervision Test. This same verbiage is referenced in the 7th edition of UL 1023, dated September 1st, 2017. In the 6th edition of UL 1023, at section 27.2, it states, an open or ground fault in any circuit extending from a household system unit, other than the initiating device circuit, shall not affect the operation of the product, except for the loss of the function extending from that circuit. There is an exception in section 27.2 of UL 1023, which is the same verbiage which resides in the 7th edition of UL 1023 at section 30.2. The exception is, if such a fault will affect the operation of the product, a trouble signal or alarm condition or test feature that will indicate the fault is required. In the 6th edition of UL 1023 at section 27.3, it states, a fault condition, open, ground, or short, of other than a burglar alarm circuit of a combination control unit shall not affect the burglar alarm signal. I'm now going to short the data bus. Once I do this, because everything is connected in parallel with the data bus, in accordance with the equipment manufacturer specifications, the system will catastrophically fail. As you can see, the 6160 RF keypad is non-functional, both in the keypad level of functionality to audibly and visually enunciate and for its wireless receiver. Auxiliary power is non-functional. The zone expander is non-functional. The wireless radio alarm transmitter for remote station communications is non-functional, and the wireless receiver is non-functional. This test proves that this control panel violates UL 1023 in the sections referenced that apply. I'm now going to short the auxiliary power output of the control panel. This will catastrophically shut down the entire system. This is connected in parallel with the power positive and negative 12 volts that is operating this motion detector. Shorting this out shuts down the keypad, shuts down its wireless receiver. The zone expander is non-functional, and the wireless radio alarm transmitter is non-functional, as well as the wireless receiver. Therefore, this test demonstrates that under the applicable sections of UL 1023, this control panel is in violation. I'm also going to test the smoke detector, even though this is UL 1023, to demonstrate that when there is a short in the data bus, anything wireless in the system, whether it's a fire alarm device or an intrusion device, will be unable to be able to be received by the system's wireless receiver, or in this case, two receivers, one built into the keypad and one external. Here we have functionality showing that the receiver identified the signal and the control panel detected zone 11 as a fire zone. Now I'm going to throw a short across the zone expansion module, which is also in the data bus. And again, the system will catastrophically fail. I will also test the smoke detector, and you will see that the control panel is technically unable to be detected by this wireless transmitter. As you can see, the system's keypad is non-functional. There's no audible or visual indication at the protected premises of this condition. The wireless radio alarm transmitter is non-functional. The zone expander is non-functional, and the secondary wireless receiver is non-functional. Testing the smoke detector is not detected by the control panel since the keypad doesn't detect it because it's non-functional, and anything else in the data bus cannot technically detect it. Therefore, this test demonstrates that this control panel was manufactured in violation of the applicable sections of UL 1023.